Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to the Imperial War Museum in Duxford. They've got a classic car show going on today. It's a new one, so I don't know what to expect. We'll just go and check it out. I've also got this new phone case that I want to test out. It's supposedly waterproof, but I obviously can't test this out because it's like the hottest time of the year and we're in no rain for ages, but I want to check out the glare of the sun. I've got a cheap knockoff quad lock and phone case. It's been alright up till now, but the case seems to be wearing out where it connects to the holder, and it's become quite loose, so I'm just looking at alternatives. I put the route into a Kalimoto app and it's saying about an hour and a half, so I'm just going to enjoy the ride there and I'll check in when we get close by. So we're just coming up to the museum now. Yeah, the verdict on this phone case is crap. In the sun. It's just glaring, the sun's glaring off the face of it. If the sun's directly behind you, you've got no chance, can't see at all. It's alright when the sun goes in. I think it would be alright. I think it would be alright in the winter, somewhere like Scotland, which don't get a lot of sun, things like that. But so yeah, I'm back to the drawing board a little bit. I might have to just bite the bullet and pay the money and get a quad lock. There's motorbike parking there, that's good. Yeah, I've been here before. It's quite an amazing place, really. There's so much stuff to look at. I remember coming here last time and I went in the cafe for a cup of coffee and they don't take cash, it's card only, which is a bit annoying. There we go. Here, quite small. Well, that was a boo-boo. I took all my gear off, went to the ticket office and he said, oh no, it's in gate number 3. This is gate number 1. So I had to put all my gear back on and then come back out again. It's not very well signposted. Cool, slow down, love. Gate 3. Oh, classic vehicle show. Tom on his sign there. Classic car show. One bike here, so we go there. Should do. Just made a space.
Hold on, yeah, 3. 19 now, 19, yeah, down there, please. Hold on, no wait, what's the next one? Hold on. Wow, that's great.
Well, that was a bit naff. Got to the gate and the woman said, "Oh, little secret, it's now a late entry fee." So it's £7.50, which I was quite pleased with. So let's pick it up. That's it. Yeah. There's a lot of Jags in there. No Mercedes, not a single Mercedes. The only Mercedes I see was in the car park when I went into gate 1 earlier on. It's I've got a bit of a soft spot for Mercedes. But yeah, there's probably, I don't know, 100 cars, something like that. There was one coffee trailer, and I went and got a small black coffee, and it's £4.50, and she didn't have no lids. And then there was a food stall, and there was a couple of stalls selling t-shirts and signs and things, and that's it. Literally 10 minutes. I was standing there watching the planes more. It's 32 degrees now. I think people were just a bit hot sitting there all day. There was a few nice cars there though.
I'm going to head on back now. If you're still there, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.